Congratulations on your new smart garden! Here's how to set it up. Once you've unboxed your new Click and Grow Smart Garden Starter Kit, put the transparent domes aside. Then take out the cavities and remove the U-shaped lids. Like so. Now it's time to plant your plants. First, unwrap your new Smart Soil capsules. Then carefully place them in the cavities. Pop the U-shaped lids back on them. And click the cavities in the garden. Place the plastic domes back over each capsule until the sprouts reach them. They ensure faster and healthier germination. To keep track of your plants, you can label each capsule. The plastic cavities, U-shaped lids, and domes are reusable, so make sure to not throw them away after use. Fill the garden up with water until the float is on the same level with the lid and not higher. Add more water once the float has sunk down to the bottom again. Now you can plug your garden in and start growing. The light turns on right away and has an automatic working cycle of 16 hours on and 8 hours off. Plug it in right after waking up, so it turns off automatically in the evening. The Smart Garden comes equipped with 2 light arm extensions. To bring the light to a higher position, take the lamp off the garden. Add the extension and place the lamp back on top of it. That's it. Enjoy Click and Growing!